Maunawili, meaning Twisted Mountain, in Hawaiian, was a vital agricultural center within the Kailua Hupua, a traditional land division. Around 1100 AD, about 500 years after other parts of Oahu were settled, Hawaiians began cultivating the valley's fertile soil and abundant water sources. The area's natural springs and streams supported extensive taro, kalo, farming and wa, irrigated terraces, which produced sweet-flavored taro sought after by alii, Hawaiian royalty. Archaeological remnants like rock-lined irrigation ditches, awe, stone terraces, and sacred sites such as Kukapoki Heiau, built over 500 years ago, highlight its agricultural and cultural importance. Cultural and royal significance. Maunawili holds deep cultural value, celebrated in Hawaiian mololo stories, for its ties to Akua, gods, alii, and historical figures. It was a favored retreat for royalty, including Queen Liliuokalani, who reportedly composed the famous song, Aloha Oe, in the late 1870s as a tribute to a farewell in the valley. The area was also home to Chief Kakuhihewa and the birthplace of Chief Kualii, who ruled Oahu in the 1700s. Sacred sites, including heiau, petroglyphs, and burial grounds, underscore its spiritual significance. Transition to ranching and diverse crops. 19th century. Following the Great Mahele of 1848, which reformed land ownership, Maunawili's agricultural focus shifted. By the mid-1800s, the valley became a cattle ranch under figures like William Irwin. Starting in the 1860s, rice paddies replaced taro wa, and by 1894, coffee cultivation began, with over 110 acres of Liberian beans planted by 1900. Experimental crops like papaya, 1902, avocado, cacao, Kona oranges, mangosteen, and koa were also introduced, some of which were among the first in Hawaii. These efforts were supported by the valley's abundant water, which was later diverted to irrigate the drier Waimanalo plantation, boosting sugar production. Modern agricultural research and coffee production. In the late 1920s, the Hawaiian Sugar Planters Association, HSPA, established a research station in Maunawili to develop sugarcane varieties. By 1996, this became the Hawaii Agriculture Research Center, HARC, expanding to study coffee, cacao, and other crops. Maunawili's unique microclimate, with cloud cover from the Kola and Olomana Mountains mimicking higher altitude conditions, produces complex, sweet coffee varieties like pink, yellow, and red bourbon. The 80-acre research farm remains a hub for coffee breeding and education, contributing to Hawaii's coffee industry. Residential development and conservation efforts. 20th to 21st century Maunawili evolved into a quiet residential community with no commercial establishments, nestled between Kailua and the Kola Mountains. As of the 2020 census, it had 2,026 residents, with homes built mostly from the 1960s to 1970s on large lots, 10,000 to 15,000 square feet. The valley's natural beauty, including Maunawili Falls and its trail, draws hikers, but overuse has led to erosion and ecosystem damage, prompting trail closures, e.g., until summer 2023. Conservation efforts by groups like Hui Maunawili Kawainui and Trust for Public Land aim to protect the valley's cultural sites, wetlands, and endangered species, such as the Hawaiian hoary bat and native waterbirds, while restoring traditional kalo farming for food security.